and ultimately saves energy. So it was estimated that by using present technology where the street lights stay on permanently, like in nights and all, so it was estimated that overall $41 million of money was wasted. And if we use our system, then it will reduce the amount by $7 million as per the studies. Existing solution. Presently, to save energy, light dependent resistor is used in streets that will turn on street lights during night time and automatically turn off during daytime. So, but still at 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. there is not so much of traffic in streets, right? So which causes the energy to be wasted. So our solution, X-bulbs are the smart light bulbs that sense traffic and turn themselves on whenever needed and automatically turn off until the traffic is not sensed. How it is used? Government just need to place our system on that bulbs. Bulbs will communicate automatically and efficiently. First of all, when the car passes by any street, it will be sensed by our unit. Second, it will turn on the street light automatically, and it will also broadcast a message to other street light to be turned on. And after some time, when there is no traffic is been sensed, it will turn off automatically. So these are the Cobra head street lights which can be used in our system. How it works? Each unit is made up of microcontroller, sensor and XB. Microcontroller is most important in the unit as it will control the whole unit. Sensor is to sense an object and give signal to microcontroller to turn on and simultaneously to turn off. And XB is used for transmitting and receiving the signal from other XB. We can use one XB radio to broadcast to several others that are all listening to the same channel. So thanks for your time and patience, and have a great day.